The test configuration screen is used for customizing the timings and source settings for your test, along with changing the name of the configuration. All settings on this screen are saved with your configuration files. The data sample rate specifies how many samples per second are compared to the specified alarm shape. This setting can play an important role in reducing noise when combined with the differential filter setting, and is critical when scanning at high speeds to ensure there are enough samples at every point on your material to capture the smallest defect. The frequency setting specifies the frequency of the sine wave which is sourced into the test coil. Lower frequencies typically penetrate deeper into the material than higher ones do. Probe drive adjusts the unloaded voltage of the sine wave at the specified frequency and can be used to increase or decrease sensitivity. Alarm adjust mode is typically left in manual mode, where the red alarm shape on the test review screen remains stable during the test. Alternatively, and only for very specific applications, auto mode can be used to help identify defects in long runs of material which can slowly change structure as the run progresses. In this mode, the alarm slowly morphs along with the size and shape of the current material noise. In this way, defects that pass the test coil quickly are detected as flaws, while small variations in material structure are allowed to pass. The consecutive rejects alarm can be used in latch mode to monitor for a situation where multiple back-to-back rejects have occurred, and will alert the operator if this condition is met. In track mode, the alarm state follows the existing condition of the test data, while latch mode causes the reject state to latch until the test is disabled. The test enable setting defaults to external, which allows all test enable types. It can be switched to manual to limit the operation to direct interaction with the user interface. The test delay setting permits specifying the amount of time between the received enable signal and the active enabling of the test, while the test extend setting allows the test enable to remain on for this amount of time after the test enable signal has turned off. Output delay is the amount of time between the sensor seeing the material and the I/O's output reporting the result. This is useful when a paint marker or reject conveyor is located some distance from the probe assembly. Output extend is the minimum reject output length when operating in track mode. With this setting, you can ensure that slow sorting hardware or a PLC with a slow refresh rate has plenty of time to capture even the quickest reject. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.